Hello everyone and Happy New Year 2025. I hope this year will bring you joy, success, fortune and most of all, health. I really wanted to make this video because it's been a while, I know. And last year was kinda sad for me, a sad year for content on YouTube. I couldn't produce the videos that I was thinking of, even those that I promised you to do, so I'm truly sorry for that. I also realized since I was away, I realized that you guys keep watching some of my content, and one of the best thing that make my days is to hear that you've still found these videos helpful, and you guys are amazing. So this is the content that I want to keep producing for this year, and at least and see if I can bring something new beside tutorials. Just few words for the little project in the background. So I just put this to illustrate a little bit. This video it won't be this video is not a tutorial. It's just like a little chat with you and me. So as you can see, it's Dragon Ball Z, Goku staring at Kid Buu. I did this project like to de-rest myself because it was a while that I haven't worked on a personal project. So this little project took me around 8 hours. I lost 2 hours because I was initially work on Blender 4.3, the new version. Then I switched back to the 4.2.1 LTS version because of some changes I'm not really happy with, but it's okay. I don't really have much to say for this video, to be honest, but just thank you guys, thank you so much to trust what I do here on YouTube. It kinda sometimes when my day is a really bad day, make me believe again of the dream, if I can say, of being an animator. So I was thinking to do maybe a tutorial or maybe a video for exercises to start animating with Grease Pencil, or a little project or single project, very complete for beginner. I still need to think about it and decide. Maybe you have some recommendation, let me know. But anyway, stay tuned and let's make 2025 our best year for animation. See you soon. Cheers.